stuck. Hey.
Let's try another one.
So here we go. I have another two. And that's life. Okay.
Alright.
And this is how we unhook.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, hello there guys, this is your Manong Baro. Welcome to my channel. And today's video we are going to cook Paksiw Mackerel. So stay tuned guys, as I am going to serve you this very delicious Paksiw Norwegian Mackerel. Of course, lasang Pinoy, diba? It's time to cook. And so of course we have this mackerel. We're going to clean this fish. So we are done cleaning the fish. I used to pour some salt every time I cook paksiw, so it will absorb while preparing for the other ingredients. We will prepare these ingredients guys. We have 1 piece of onion and 5 cloves of garlic, and of course luya is the most important one to eliminate the smell of the fish. Alright, so of course we have pepper here and salt of course, and the one and only suka or vinegar. Yeah. Alright, so let's prepare guys. Our ingredients are ready. Now we can proceed cooking. We have this pan. We will put the fish. And we will sprinkle the spices. Okay, and of course tablespoon of salt. We will use this vinegar to cook this fish. So guys, you don't need to put water. The vinegar serves as the water to cook. And of course, we have to put pepper. Right, and then of course we will cover, let it cook for like 10 minutes. Wow, this is smell good guys. So now that is well cooked, we may now put this garnish. The bitter gourd. The bitter gourd, guys. So, see? That smells good, guys. So guys, here we go. Wow, smells good. So by the way guys, I put some leeks. It's added vegetable to our paksiw. So look at that. Oh, it smells good guys. I love it. I love it. It smells delicious. So let's taste. Final taste, guys. Look at that juicy. Now, see, guys. You will see this natural fats of mackerel. So delicious, guys. I love it. I love it. So, this is it guys. Ang sarap. See? Let's eat. Now we will taste it. Fantastic. Delicious. And so, I hope you guys enjoyed this paksiw of mine. If you feel like eating paksiw, of course you can always watch this video. Of course, you can always have a different type of fish. It doesn't matter how type of fish they are. So as long as it is fish and fresh, enjoy cooking. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching.